Inspirational distant views of Geyser Peak greet you from the building envelope of this 10-acre parcel in the 1,000-acre plus or minus Foothill Ranch estates of eastern Sonoma County. The stillness, open spaces, and wildlife will inspire your creativity in this community where design and innovation have always been paramount. Join with long-term residents and other visionaries as they rebuild their custom-designed estate homes, reinvented for the 21st century. Miles of shared hiking and riding trails, along with common open space, including a scenic lake and pond, enhance your wine country lifestyle. Your parcel includes a seasonal creek, varied terrain with woods and meadows, and views both distant and intimate. What a marvelous place to call home! A rebuilt shared water system, inspected septic system, temporary power, and a soils report are available to allow for your vision to be made real.